Espiritu.
Espiritu, ano ang pangalan mo?
Three. Three.
Sweet.
Chappy. Three. Three.
Oh!
Like a celebrity.
Ah, okay.
Sweet?
Siya ba yun? Are you the one from the celebrity edition?
Oo.
Oh my God!
Alright, never mind. Next, you know enough about me.
Yung tawa niya sobrang cute.
Jerome, do you have a job already or an occupation?
Yeah, may trabaho po ako.
Yeah, may trabaho po ako.
Ano po ako? Assistant Director of Nursing.
Ano po ako? Assistant Director of Nursing.
Ate Cora, can you tell us about your love life?
Wala. Single ako at the moment. At single ako at the moment. Iniwan ako.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Maganda pa rin.
Spiritually, Luis, how do you take care of your body?
I don't drink soft drinks.
I don't drink soft drinks.
Tapos regular workout.
Tsaka regular workout.
Ampol.
Okay.
Sampol. Bullshit. Sampol.
Sample of what?
Like what?
Oh, push-ups, my 5 push-ups. 5 push-ups.
Sino si Maymay?
Oh, Luis, push-ups. Push-ups. As many push-ups as you can do.
Ang gwapo mo, Timay.
10 push-ups, Luis.
Luis.
Push-ups. Why? Tumunog na.
Uy, tama na, uy.
Okay na. All the way down, Luis.
Sige na, sige na. Oh my.
Let's go work on our reflection. Okay.
And then I go jogging like that.
Susunod.
I'm from US, Colorado.
Colorado. Ako po si Baninay.
On the way.
Spirit on the way. Ano ang pangalan mo?
Ako si Tanner.
Ako si Tanner.
Oh
my
God, bro! I know it. Where are you from? And what nationalities are you?
I'm from
I'm from
US, Colorado.
US from Colorado.
Colorado?
From Colorado.
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 Pina colada.
Mr. Colada.
Pina colada.
Pina Colada.
There you go.
There you go.
Colorado.
Colorado.
Okay.
Spirito ni Tanner, tell us about your siblings.
I have a twin brother.
I have a twin brother.
Yes.
Yes.
Spirit of Tanner, what is your occupation or job?
International model.
International model.
Sample.
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 Oh my God.
Never mind, go back to the spirit. Go back to the spirit. Be gone with you, Dean.
Gwapo ba?
Na, wala. Boot ko ba? Boot! No, mata. Wala.
At ang huling espiritong nagparamdam ay si Baninay.
Spirit on the way. Andito na ang pang-pitong spirito. At handa na ang abad natin house.
Spirit on the way, what is your name?
Ako si Baninay. Ako po si